You look like a very curious person.
Let me know why.
How old are you, Daniel?
What do you think?
I think you told me you are 18 or 19.
19. Do you like to eat fast food?
I love eating fast food. I like fried chicken.
And do you like hamburgers?
I love hamburgers. What type of food do you usually eat at home?
Home? Tacos? Rice? I don't know what to say.
No problem. You aren't forced to keep the conversation going. You can pause and enjoy silence for a little bit and gather your thoughts. No one is rushing you, Daniel.
Okay. Do you drink coffee to stay
Drink
awake?
coffee. I drink coffee because I like the taste, not to keep me awake.
Have you ever tried Colombian coffee?
Yes, I have tried Colombian coffee.
What genre do you like the most
Genre of what?
of music?
A long time ago, I used to listen to hip hop and R&B.
R&B?
R and B.
What does mean?
I will share my screen and show you the Google definition from a website. Rhythm and blues, commonly known as R&B, is a musical genre developed by Black Americans in the 1940s that's been continuously refined through the present day. R&B derives from gospel, jazz, folk, and traditional blues music and emerged in tandem with rock and roll.